It doesn't have to be pictures. It got to be filmed.
It's filming now.
Okay. So one of the things that if you do live in a high endemic area like that, you want to see your doctor and have them, check you out.
That's definitely not a drink. We have one more call we're going to take before we head out of here. We got Doug on the line.
WVBN News Time, 2:25.
Is Kickstarter?
Eric Clapton with Cream. Crossroads is live on 95.9 The River, and just in time for the Irish celebration this weekend with U2 and Pride. 95.9 The River.
My opinion, first of all, about milk is that it's not really a food that's designed for.
The overall trend in the second half of 2012 showed a slight downward trajectory. The success of Kickstarter makes its data a barometer of the crowdfunding industry. Kickstarter has launched nearly 90,000 projects to date, with total funding pledged in the neighborhood of $435 million. With the Crane's Small Business Report, this is Ann Dwyer for News Radio 780 and 105.9 FM. WBBM.
Hotwire.com radio spot. Ready? Take one, roll jingle.
HOTWIRE, Hotwire.com.
With Hotwire's ridiculously low travel prices, you can take more trips. Wait, cut. What's wrong? Did you hear that? There was an echo when I said trips. There.
Tomorrow night, 8 p.m. Eastern Time at ESPN HD. And now this just means the Knicks have fallen further behind the Heat as they try to play catch-up. The NBA on ESPN Radio presents.
Okay, Dan, you can turn it off.